Hi grade 7! For today, our topic is posing real-life problems that can be solved by statistics. And it was based on Mathematics 7, Quarter 4, Module number 1. Hi math lovers! Are you ready? Let's learn, have fun, because mathematics is fun.
What I need to know.
Objectives. Number 1, explain the basic concepts, uses, and importance of statistics. Number 2, possess real-life problems that can be solved by statistics.
What is it? Posing real-life problems that can be solved by statistics.
Math is a big part of our lives, especially statistics. Statistics is the branch of mathematics which we use to analyze what is happening in the world around us.
Statistics
It's the collection of data and its representation. Statistics compare data through mean, median, and mode, and other tools we use in interpreting data. We all have heard that we live in the information age, where we deal about the world around us. Most of the information is determined mathematically using statistics.
These are some of the examples to explain the role of statistics in real life. Agriculture. We can use statistics to study the data of different combinations of fertilizers and pesticides and see the effect of specific plant. Now let's have illustrative example. Christina is a plant lover. She wants her plant to bloom at its peak. So she made a research about the different fertilizers that is available to the market. Christina tests the fertilizer and observed the height of a specific plant after 10 days. Now look at the following data. Fertilizer A, growth effect 10.5 centimeters. Fertilizer B, growth effect 20.6 centimeters. Fertilizer C, growth effect 50.7 centimeters. And fertilizer D, growth effect 8.4 centimeters. Here are the following questions. Number 1, what fertilizer affects the plant's height most? Fertilizer C. Question number 2. What fertilizer affects the least? Fertilizer D. Question number 3. What is the difference between the highest and the lowest height? 50.7 minus 8.4 is equal to 42.3 centimeters. For our conclusion, fertilizer C has the greatest growth effect on the plant because it contains the highest score of 50.7. Business. We could also use statistics for the promotion of products and services, increase of sales. Illustrative example. Adam, a manager of McDollarby, wants to know what month is the most and least profited in the year 2020. Now look at the data. Now here are the following questions. Number 1, what month contains the highest profit? It's January and September. Question number 2. What is the income of the month with the highest profit? 30,000 pesos. Question number 3. What month contains the lowest profit? That is for the month of April. Question number 4. What is the income of the month with the lowest profit? That is 10,000 pesos. For our conclusion, McDollarby is the fast food chain where its profit is highest at the months of January and September, with 30,000 pesos as its income, and April has the lowest monthly income with 10,000 pesos only. Demography. It concerns about the human population. to see the status of birth and death rate. Illustrative example. Anna wants to study about the population of Barangay Mapayapa in the past 10 years and see if the population is growing or not. Now look at the following data. Now here are the following questions. What is the population of Barangay Mapayapa on 2011? 6,250. Question number 2. What is the population of Barangay Mapayapa on 2020? 8,180. Question number 3. What is the difference from 2011 to 2020? 1,930. Question number 4. What year makes the highest difference in population? That is 2014 to 2015. Question number 5. What year makes the least difference in population? That is 2016 to 2017. For our conclusion, based on the observation, the population in Barangay Mapayapa is consistently rising. The year that made a strong impact on the population is 2014 to 2015, where population rose by 6,000. Education. Statistics is used to determine the validity of an exam using item analysis. Illustrative example. Miss Clemente wants to determine the capacity of her student by dividing her exam in integers into 4 parts. Test A, addition. Test B, subtraction. Test C, multiplication. And Test D, division. Now here are the following questions. Question number 1. Who among the students got the highest grade in addition? That is Michelle. Question number 2. Who among the students got the lowest grade in division? She is Kat. Question number 3. Who among the students got the highest grade in Miss Clemente's class? She is Sherlyn. Question number 4. Which of the following parts of Miss Clemente's exam made the student struggle? That is addition and subtraction. For our conclusion, Miss Clemente's class struggled in addition and subtraction and excels in multiplication. Sherlyn got the scores in integers, while Angel got the lowest. Entertainment. It is used even during conducting surveys and ratings for TV shows. Let's have our illustrative example. GMA posted a new television rating of their show in prime time. Observe the given table. Now here are the following questions. Number 1. What show got the highest TV rating in GMA prime time? 24 Oras. For question number 2, what show got the lowest? Saksi. Question number 3. Do you think the time slot affect the rating of the shows? Yes. And for our conclusion, despite of their similarities in content, there is a big difference between the ratings of 24 Oras and Saksi. One factor is their time slot, where most of the people are awake during the time of 24 Oras and asleep at the time of Saksi. Medicine. To check the effectiveness of the vaccine or medicine. Now let's have illustrative example. Benji is a chemist who's studying on effectivity of medicines in fevers. He invited Nora, Marita, and Carmen to be his sample. Nora take medicine A, Marita take medicine B, and Carmen take medicine C. Here is the result of his experiment. Now here are the following questions. For number 1, after the first take, who got the highest temperature between the 3 samples? Marita. Question number 2. After the third and the last take, who got the lowest temperature? Carmen. Question number 3. Which of the following sample continuously decreases their temperature after taking medicine? Marita. For our conclusion, between the 3 samples, Marita continuously decreased her temperature. This just implies that medicine B, which Marita took, is more effective than medicine A and C. Political. To determine who is the leading candidate or who is the winner of an election, let's have illustrative example. The section orchids selected their class president and the graph shows the result of the election. Now here are the following questions. Number 1, who got the least vote? He is Daniel. Question number 2, how many votes Judith got? She got 13 votes. Question number 3, who won in the election? He is Will. Question number 4, how many pupils voted in all? 64 students. For our conclusion, the table clearly states that Will won the election by having 18 number of votes, which is the majority of the 64 students. References.
I hope that you have learned a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye!